Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to show you 18 principles that you need to follow to write Google Ads headlines that stand out, get you more clicks and save you money. I'm Liam, also known as the Google Ads Doctor. I lead the PPC team here at Vulcan Digital, where we spend 7 figures per month on Google Ads for some of the biggest D2C brands in the space. And before I jump into this video, if you're a brand owner spending 5 figures or more per month on Google Ads and you're interested in a free one-to-one Google Ads action plan, then just follow the link in the description below. Let's get into it. Nearly every campaign type in Google Ads requires you to write headlines. And with campaigns like Search and PMax allowing you to write up to 15 headlines per ad, you should be able to apply each of the following 18 principles to every single ad that you create. Principle number 1, include the keywords that you're targeting in your headlines. This helps to improve ad relevance and it gives prospective customers the confidence that your ad will direct them to a landing page that answers their question. Principle number 2, use dynamic keywords. When you use DKIs, the keyword that is triggered by the search query will appear in the ad. While it is more optimal to tailor your ad copy manually to the keywords that you're targeting, DKIs represent a reasonable add-on. Principle number 3, focus on potential benefits and results. People want to hear what positive outcomes may arise or will arise as a result of buying your product. Principle number 4, use symbols in your headlines. There's a simple reason for this. They're eye-catching, underutilized, and really help to boost your click-through rate. Principle number 5, combine features with benefits. Don't just say made with premium materials. Say built to last using premium materials. Principle number 6, add social proof. Build trust from that initial touch point with the customer. Principle number 7, lead with imperative verbs. Strong verbs in the imperative form help to guide the customer on what they should do next. Things like check out our newest t-shirts. You're telling the customer what they should do and they don't even have to think about it. Principle number 8, qualify in your ad. If your products are premium or luxury, then say this. You don't want to be wasting both clicks and budget on people who are looking for cheaper alternatives. Principle number 9, capitalize each word in your headlines. It's simple. Capitalizing each word helps with readability. Principle number 10, focus on positive outcomes. Rather than encouraging users to avoid bad outcomes, elaborate on potential positive outcomes. Don't say something like, avoid cheap materials that will break down. Instead say, ours are premium materials, built to last years. Principle number 11, speak directly to prospective customers. Use words like you and your to connect with people visiting your store. Principle number 12, match your headline to buying intent. The lower down the funnel, the more specific the customer search query is going to be. These people will respond better to feature-heavy, informational ad copy that answers the specific questions they have. Principle number 13, include specificity in your CTAs. Your call to actions shouldn't just be things like shop now. Say things like find your next statement piece or get your next pair of trainers at 30% off. Principle number 14, focus on emotion. Create curiosity and excitement. Focus on building a sense of trust and security. Principle number 15, use numbers and data. Figures are more scroll stopping and increase your click-through rates. They also provide more credibility to any of your claims. Principle number 16, address customer pain points. What agitates the customer the most? What does buying your product help them do to overcome this agitation? Principle number 17, ask questions in your headlines. This can really help with pattern disruption and again boost your click-through rates. And the most important one of them all, principle number 18, ensure your headlines have good readability. Bearing in mind that most of your ads will be viewed on mobile, so long-winded headlines are going to be difficult for mobile users to understand and digest. Keep your language plain, simple and easy to read. There you have it, a lung-busting breakdown of 18 principles that you should be following to write Google Ads headlines that stand out. But remember, don't just set them up and forget about them. You should be regularly reviewing individual asset performance, individual headline performance, and replacing your lowest performers. That way you can stay ahead of competitors. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more help writing great Google Ads headlines or general copywriting in Google Ads, or you need assistance with campaign structures like search or performance max, then we're here to help. Just click the link below to book a one-on-one call with me, where I'll personally audit your current Google Ads account setup and provide you with a detailed action plan about how you can scale your account. If you found this video useful, please hit subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you at the next one.